Bonjour, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raja Kausarla and today's grammar topic is la négation, that is negation. This is part 1 of this video. In the next part, I will discuss les expressions négatives, that is the negative expressions in French. So let's begin. La négation. In French, a sentence is negated by inserting the verb between two words, that is ne and pas. We put ne before the verb and pas after the verb. For example, je parle français. I speak French. The negative of the sentence would be je ne parle pas français. I do not speak French. Notice the verb parle, that is to speak, is in between two words ne and pas. Parle is preceded by ne and followed by pas. Similarly, elle est profession. There's a note, ne becomes an apostrophe before a verb beginning with vowel and silent H. So in the second example, you would see elle, the negative of the sentence would be elle n'est pas profession. Since the verb a begins with a vowel, we would use an apostrophe and pas to negate the sentence. The following are some rules that you must keep in mind for negation in French. The indefinite articles un, in and they become the in negation. For example, j'ai un livre. I have a book. In negative, we would write this sentence as je n'ai pas de livre. Notice, un changes to the upon negation. Similarly, il y a des feuilles. Il y a is a phrase that means there is or there are. The negative of this phrase becomes il n'y a pas, that is, there are no, and so on, followed by the rest of the sentence. For this sentence, it becomes il n'y a pas de feuilles. That is, we must notice that they becomes the. That is, there are no leaves. The second rule is the changes to D apostrophe if the noun is starting with a vowel or silent H. For example, il y a un arbre. The noun here is arbre, that is, there is a tree, and un is the indefinite article that we have used. So upon negation, the sentence becomes il n'y a pas, that is, there is no, and un changes to D apostrophe since the noun starts with the vowel a. However, there is an exception to this rule. This rule does not apply for the verb être. For example, c'est un cadeau. This is a gift. The negative of the sentence would become ce n'est pas un cadeau. We used ne and pas to form the negative of the sentence. However, compared to the first rule that we should have used to ideally change to the, we won't do the same since être is the exception to the above rule. So the sentence remains ce n'est pas un cadeau. The next rule is the definite articles le, la, l'apostrophe and les remain the same in negation. For example, tu as le journal. You have the newspaper. So the negative of this sentence would become tu n'as pas le journal. You do not have the newspaper. Notice the definite article remains the same. Similarly, j'ai les voitures bleues. I have the blue cars. The negative of the sentence would become je n'ai pas les voitures bleues. I do not have the blue cars. Les remains the same even in the negative form of the sentence. This is it for this part of this video. If you like the content, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Merci!